Number 1, island. Can you say island? Number 2, vegetable. Slower, we say vegetable. Number 3, comfortable. Very slowly, we say comfortable. Comfortable. Number 4, foreigner. Slowly, we say fɔrənə. Foreigner. One more time. Foreigner. Number 5, we say stomach. Stomach. Number 6, we say vehicle. Number 7, we say women. Very slowly, women. Number 8, we say meter. Slowly, meter. Meter. And number 9, we say colleague. We have a G sound, G. Colleague. G. And number 10, we say clothes. Clothes. Thank you for watching.